Yeah, so here's the team rescue, and here we just discuss about the technical approach of our solution on disaster management theme. As our solution is a universal controller, so our technical approach is divided into two sections. One is a hardware and other is software. So in hardware section, we have a PCB of a controller, like we design in a KeyCAD. The PCB contain a Raspberry Pi and STM32 nuclear board. The purpose of using a Raspberry Pi is to control the camera feed and the communication over networking. And for the networking communication, we are further using a GSM 4G module, which we can provide a 24 into 7 connectivity to our system. And the purpose of using STM32 Nucleo because it contains a n number of GPI input and output pins and have a number of protocols pins, for example, UART, I2C, and SPI pins for further better communication of the sensor to the system. So in hardware approach itself, we design one of the best design which is compatible with our controller. You can see over here we have a ground vehicle, drones, ground vehicle as a hexapod and the underwater submarine. So we design in such a way like this can compatible with our universal controller. We have to just plug and play and connect the sensor with the power and nothing more than that. So this is our technical approach in hardware. Further in software approach to program our STM32, we are using STM32 Cube software, and there is a custom operating system for the Raspberry Pi. So we are using the Raspberry Pi open source, you can say, software, and the thing in the hardware design in the Fusion 360 software. Further, the controlling system and all of the stuff, PLSS, VLSS comes under the MATLAB. And now jump directly to the software part. In software part, like we design a software GUI in such a way like it can be easy to understand and you can say controlled by everyone by just simple guidance. Like GUI can get the feed of the camera, the GPI GUI have the GPS integration, so it can get all the GPS data of our robot where it goes and went, and the initial location, the final location is just punch over the GUI and you can see it over there. The GUI also contain the other facilities like other features can show like the speed of the boat and the you can say temperature of the surroundings and other many factors. Like there's one more feature in the GUI is like you can directly control your system with the GUI. There's a two ways to control your robots. Either control with the FSI6 or any RC control remote, or if any failure of that remote, you can directly control your bot with your GUI. And last feature is like it can store the data in CSV file. Like if a bot is going a field, it can observe the data and take the data and directly upload to the CSV file, so we can directly download the data over there. So this is our technical approach.